how you doing? It's so nice to see you. I'm so glad you could join me today on YouTube. My name is Deshawn and you're watching Distinctively Deshawn. So come on, get in the picture as I invite you to come along. So welcome to my home. Hey there, welcome to my channel. My name is Deshawn and you are tuning into Distinctively Deshawn. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for tuning in today. If you are a returning viewer, welcome back. I truly appreciate your presence here. Y'all, I'm gonna call this video Picture Day. Today I'm gonna be working on some canvas photo art. If that is something that you're interested in doing, this is the video for you. What you need: a canvas and a photo, Mod Podge and a foam brush, and glitter, which is optional. Let us begin. The first thing you want to do is make sure you spread your glue across the entire canvas, making sure you do well to touch all of the sides thoroughly. Don't overdo it, but make sure you do a good job so that the picture adheres to the canvas. After you have the amount of glue that you want to use, just simply use your brush to evenly spread out the glue across the entire surface. That way, when you go to apply your photo, you can efficiently secure it to the canvas. I do want to say that before applying the glue to your canvas, you want to make sure your photo actually is the size of the canvas that you are using. And when applying the photo, you want to make sure you carefully line up the corners of the photo to make sure that it fits perfectly. And if there is too much, like say your photo is a little bit bigger than the canvas itself, you can cut off the excess prior to applying the picture. What you see me doing now is just making sure that I press down firmly on the front and the back of the photo. Once the photo is secure, you want to spread out the glue on the surface of the canvas, actually on the actual photo as you see me doing now. Don't worry about messing the picture up. It's going to dry perfectly well and even, and you will not be able to see the glue at all. However, you will see the textured look that I'm trying to achieve. Now, most people would use an additional canvas to put over top of the photo once the glue is applied that's the same size. However, I'm going to opt out of that. I'm not interested in doing that with this particular picture. Now that the photo is dry, I'm going to add glitter to my sides. Normally I may add ribbon or paint the sides. A lot of people like to paint them, and that is typically something that you do prior to putting the actual picture on the canvas. But in this case, I'm doing it after the fact, only because I'm pretty careful, and also even if I did get a little glitter on the photo, I don't really care. In this instance, the photo is not as bright as I would like it to be, but this is definitely something that you want to do ahead of time prior to putting the picture up there. Like I said, if you are not that great at not making a mess and not getting glitter on your photo. I just want to say thank you to everyone who viewed my first video. This is my second video, and I probably told maybe a handful of people about my first video, and I was completely shocked and overwhelmed to see how many views I received by not telling anybody. So thank you so much. Apparently you guys shared the video. I truly appreciate you doing that, and it has definitely encouraged me to continue to go forward with this. This channel is about decoration, inspiration, and motivation. And honestly, I like to think of it as like a smorgasbord of content, just because you never really know what I may upload on any given day. But prayerfully, something that I'm doing will inspire you, encourage you, and motivate you to tap into things that you love, or even step outside the box, just like I am in doing this, because trust me, this is completely new to me. But just challenging ourselves to do something that we love to do. If you're enjoying this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I would love for you to stick around and enjoy hearing from you. Also, make sure to click the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. I used the matte glue, but I made my application a little thicker and extra glossy just because of the quality of the photo. I wanted to have some sort of shine to it.